Hi, welcome to another session. In this session, we will basically demonstrate how to use our stencils to customize your t-shirt. Here I am using multiple colors, but you can use single color also for the stencils. These stencils you can buy from our website. To start with, all these stencils come with transfer paper or release paper. So all you need to do is just use this release paper to take off these stencils and position it on the t-shirts where you want to paint. So I've taken off this stencil and now I'll position it on the t-shirt and paste it. Once you've pasted this, you need to remove the release paper. Make sure that your edges are intact and carefully remove the release paper. Hold the stencil lightly in the areas where you feel that it is trying to come off. And then just press gently so that you make sure that everything is intact. Once you've done this, it's time to go ahead and paint. Regarding painting, I'd like to say that you do not need to dilute any of the Javana paints because they are supposed to be used directly from the bottle. If you dilute them, they'll have a tendency to seep inside the edges and you will not get the clean edges. So I'm using multiple colors here, black in this area, maybe orange in this area, and a blend of two colors in this area. But you can always use single color to finish the entire stencil in one shot. So let me just go ahead and do that. Before I can start painting, I have to make sure that I keep something beneath this to protect the other side. So let me get a newspaper, a rough newspaper. I insert this beneath the top surface. So once I've done this, I'm ready to go. So I'll use any hard bristle brush which you can use for oil painting or acrylic, and that should be enough to paint this. So let me go ahead first with black. I'll paint the mug with black. Be careful not to exceed the boundaries because I want to paint the other ones in different color. Now I'll paint these letters in red. I'll paint this one letter with metallic color, copper. Now I'll try and create a blend of orange and yellow in this area. See how it comes. So let me use orange in the lower portion. and yellow on the top. So I'm going to finish the entire stuff of painting, and I'd just leave this for probably 5 minutes before I can remove the stencil and see how it comes. So let me get back after 4 to 5 minutes. You can also use hair dry to slightly dry it just before peeling off the stencil, so that the colors don't mix and it is sort of dry before you peel off. So let's carefully remove this stencil. So this is it. Now we'll come back again and show you how to fix this, making it permanent on the cloth. So let me get back. Now the first stage of fixing is basically drying it with a hair dryer. So probably for 3 to 4 minutes, just to make sure that it is touch dry and before you iron it from the reverse side. Now it is touch dry, so the next step will be to actually reverse it and iron it. So I'll reverse this now. Once this is reversed, you need to iron in cotton settings or linen settings for almost 3 to 4 minutes. And reverse it back and iron it on the top also, just to make sure that it is thoroughly fixed. Once you've done that, just leave it for 3 to 4 minutes till it cools down, and then I'll show you the properties of this paint. Now this is done, and unlike acrylic paints, Javana are specifically meant for textile, and they are soft and supple on cloth. They behave like normal screen print on cloth, and as you can see, the properties of cloth, the wrinkles are being transferred to the paints themselves. They don't feel different, they behave like almost a print, and they are washproof. They can be done on cotton fiber mixed with up to 20% of synthetic fiber, and the paints will outlive the cloth lifetime, and they don't fade away on washing. So let's hope you use our paints and stencils for beautiful designs. Thanks for watching.